Dan Sweet here, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct and Pressure Cleaners Direct. Here's another one of our titanium trash bin cleaning trucks, dual bin grabber. Has the upgraded 3,000 pound stainless steel high temperature cleaning head, 18-stage wastewater recycling and filtration systems. Typically we're getting up to 6-7 months out of a set of filters. Right now we're offering additional bonus, give you a year's worth of filters at no charge, and actually it's probably gonna last you long past that because they're washable and reusable. And standstill head, heavier duty hydraulic lifter. We don't have any of the welds breaking on us and other problems like they're having out there. And then ultra high temperature ball valve, 8,000 pound rated, retractable reel with 50-foot retractable hose on the back. These are dual gun pressure washers, so you can actually run two operators off the same if you want to power wash. Concrete clean. These are going out with surface cleaners like 48-inch, even 60-inch wide surface cleaner that can clean a full 5-foot wide sidewalk in one pass. We can vacuum up wastewater up to 100 feet away from the truck, recycle and reuse that water. Inlet hose reel, fire hydrant fill kit, 200-foot of high pressure hoses opted in this. This has a full chemical sanitizing system here, 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine. We also offer full soft wash system, so if you want to do house washing, soft washing, big industry too, we can add a 55-gallon tank on here and add a full blown out soft wash, house wash, and building wash systems using low pressure chemical. You can actually be washing the house while another person on the job could be cleaning trash bins and then knocking out a 1,500 square foot 6-car driveway. Believe it or not, with a monster machine like this, it only takes us about 7 minutes to power wash. So by the time the other units in the industry can only clean 2 cans, you'll be able to clean 2-3 cans and a 6-car driveway and be in and out in about 15 minutes or less. That size driveway normally goes for $250 to $400. So not bad for a quarter of an hour's worth of work. So ultra high heat. When we recycle and reuse, my clients are all able to burn off their own wastewater by cleaning more trash bins. By average, probably up to another 200 trash bins a day, anywhere between 100 and 200. Really depends if they're maintenance cans. You can even do a lot more than that. But if you're doing first time cleanings, we're averaging about 40 extremely filthy first time cleaners cleaning at a waste facility that tend not to hire you to clean maintenance cans. They give you the train wrecks that almost are ready to be thrown away. And we're averaging 43 of those an hour. So you're looking at $400 to $800 an hour income trash bin cleaning. Concrete cleaning, you can only imagine if you can do a 6-car driveway in under 10 minutes, kind of income per hour you can make if you're getting $200, $300, $400 for that driveway. So give us a call. Dan Sweet, I'm the owner. And I actually been manufacturing these since 2010. Pretty much helped pioneer this here in the United States. And we've got the best of the best. Cheaper, never cheaper. Our clients don't have to worry about sneaking around car washes and dumping their sand, dirt, oil, grass, grease and oil. Just look at Thanksgiving, how much grease and oil ends up in the garbage can. Now multiply that by thousands of homeowners. There's so much hydrocarbon, grease, and oil out there that it is a massive problem, even on a normal basis. And top of that, kitty litter is catastrophic to a septic system. It'll actually destroy it. Oil, grease, same thing. Household chemicals can kill the bacteria like Ridix in septic system. So going to an RV park and car wash and doing illegal dumps like that, not suggested. And I won't base my entire business on relying on somebody else's business or private property to dump your unfiltered wastewater into. Dan Sweet, Trash Bin Cleaner Direct, 877-699-0755. Give us a call. Do me a favor, like and share this video. Show people in the industry exactly what they can step up to and get into a multitasking system, or basically have the world's fastest trash bin cleaning system. We actually got a guy out of Ohio, did 525 extremely filthy trash bins at a waste facility, and it took him 8.5 hours to clean that. 9 hours total, with including the half-hour lunch break. So if you're looking for high performance, you know, if you want to be a landscaper, you can start with a 20-inch push mower and a little weed whacker, and guess what? Call yourself a landscaper. Same thing with the smaller powered units out there. You can start off small, get your feet wet, but you still have the wastewater issue. You still have the amount of cargo you can carry. You can see that they're built on light duty trucks, light duty aluminum frames. You know, everything we build is hardcore. So all the truck body frame is steel. The upper truck body is 1/8 steel, our aluminum hopper on the back. You do not want to hang 4,000 or 5,000 pounds of weight on the rear of your truck, way in the back of the truck, because that extra leverage of that hangover just from the real wheel to where the hopper is and to the back, that's leverage. It's going to increase that amount of load. It's going to make your suspension on the front end very squirrely. It could shift. There's already been, you know, unfortunately, an accident that, you know, paid the ultimate price. Our condolences to that family. Not our truck. We only use steel truck bodies, not the aluminum one. So yeah, like I said, invest in the best. Give the experts here at Trash Bin Cleaner Direct a call. Most incredible business opportunity. We have clients with over 20,000 residential customers. So give us a call, 877-699-0755. Once again, give us a like and share the video.